Hey everybody, we're gonna try that again. See, it's Saturday on the long Memorial Day weekend, and I realized I was doing the Facebook Live, and someone told me, "Hey, we can't hear you." So it was obviously a bad connection or something. So I wanted to make sure that people can hear what I'm saying about this course. So hey, don't you love technology? And happy Saturday. So let's go start this again, and I want to talk about. I've had a lot of questions about this new contacts to customers course that we have that we're registering people now, but the registration for it actually closes at midnight tonight, Saturday. So I've had a lot of questions about it, so I wanted to make sure I was available. I can answer those questions. And I think the biggest question was, is this course right for me, the Contacts to Customers course? And so I'm going to go through a couple of demonstrations about how people can use this course, what we're going to be doing, and how it's going to benefit certain types of people. So what this course is all about is helping you to convert more people that you meet at networking events, trade shows, expos, wherever you're meeting people live, shaking hands, exchanging business cards, wherever you're meeting them, even people you meet at Publix or whatever, converting more of those people, substantially, exponentially more of those people into appointments, sales, higher profits. That's what it's about, contacts to customers. So what we're showing people is I'm walking you step by step how to do it better, how to get more return on every minute that you spend at leads groups, networking groups, expos, trade shows, everything, okay? Then also what we teach you is you're also getting a system. We're gonna be showing you how to create a system that will help you convert more contacts into customers, not just for the next week, not just for the next month, but for years and years and years to come, all right? So this is something, the course is great. We're going to be showing you all the steps. We're going to be giving you all kinds of scripts. We're going to be walking you through how to create a system. We're going to be walking you through how to, actually talk to people about your business even better than now. So you get people saying, wow, how do you do that? So we're going to be walking you through many different things, and I'll talk a little bit more about all of that. But let's talk to you, maybe small business owners or sole proprietors or people that might just be a sales force of one. And what it's going to do for you. And what it'll do is this. You'll now be able to go to fewer networking events if you want to, or go to the same amount of events. And those business cards that you get, maybe there's a stack of them sitting on your desk, or there's a bunch of bundles of them, with rubber bands around it in the drawer, in a drawer in your office. And you'll be able to convert those people that you meet now, like fresh people. You'll be so much better, and you'll know exactly how to convert more of those people into appointments and sales. We'll show you everything on how to do it better. Okay. Now, and if this is your biggest sales way, and how you get leads, and the biggest way you get new customers is networking and leads groups and trade shows and stuff, which that's a huge portion of America, then it is incredibly important that you make that time valuable, that you're getting leads and substantially more leads. So even if you're pretty good at it, we're going to make it where you can get exponentially more out of your networking time and your investment, because it is. You go to one lunch group, maybe it's an hour and a half group, but you take time to get there, time leave. It could be 3 or 4 hours. It could be almost half your workday that you're spending at this one group. It needs to be a good use of your time. And with this course and the systems we're going to give you and everything we're going to show you how to do, it'll be an excellent use of your time. In fact, if you wanted to attend fewer events, you could, because you'll be so much better at conversion and getting people excited inside those groups. You're going to have more people wanting to connect with you, so you're going to get more new contacts than you've ever been out of these groups. You're going to get more warm referrals. You're going to get more introductions out of it. And then we're going to show you how to convert those people into customers. So you can actually spend less time out and about running around and spend more time on your business, helping your customers, making the stuff that you do, doing whatever you want, or, go fishing, go to the beach. You can actually put more personal time back in your day. And that, to me, that's everything. So if I can spend more time with my kids or out on the water and fishing and stuff, that to me is everything. So that's what it can do for you. For small business sole proprietors, it's going to make you so much better at converting people into customers, okay? For sales forces, if you have a sales force, whether your sales force is 10 or 100 or 1,000 around the world, There's a lot of salespeople out there. You have an 80-20 thing, as we all know, the numbers are the numbers of the numbers, okay? And 20% of your people are really good at, hey, they meet people, they follow up well, they always get the appointment, and they get a lot more sales than everybody else. Then you have the other 80% that might not be so good at it, or is not as good. Maybe 40% are okay at it, and then, man, there's 40% that they're just awful, right? And here's why. Because they haven't been trained well, and they don't know how to convert customers or contacts into customers. They don't know how, okay? They've never been trained well to do it, or they're just not good at it. So we are going to give them a very simple system. We're going to show them exactly how to do it. And so what it'll do, so now instead of just one person, now you could have 100 more people being better at conversion, and that leads to exponential higher sales for your company. All right. So what we'll be able to do is, or let me give you an example. Let me give you an example of how I've seen sales forces out and about, how they just kind of failed to follow up and not good at conversion. So I went to a Tampa Bay Business Expo. This was probably 5-6 years ago. And I met this lady, and she was there with a company that sells those electronic whiteboards, right? Where you write on them and then it puts it into the computer. So, it's like a digital thing, writing to digital. And they're a couple grand each, right? So, because these were big for like big conference rooms, like really fancy ones. So they were really, really good ones. And so I went there and I walk up to her, and, I have a lot of customers, and I have a lot of customers in Tampa. And I said, look, I love this whiteboard. I know 2 to 3, 4, even maybe up to 5 people that need these whiteboards now. I love the ways yours look. They look easy to use. I will get you into these people. I'll introduce you to them. And I even said, maybe I even need one for my office. So I'm talking 4, 5, 6 customers maybe that she could have had immediately. Told her, call me. Here's my card. Call me. I never heard from her, like ever. It's been 5, 6, 7 years. Still never heard from her. Not an email, not a phone call. So you had one of your salespeople that's out at a trade show you paid probably $1,000 to be at, and that's low, right? We know how expos go. You can pay $10, $20, $50,000 to be at expos. All right. And I handed her a card. You have almost guaranteed sales. Boom, handed her a card, call me, and never heard from her. So that's lost opportunity. 10, 20, 50, who knows, $100,000 in sales gone, because people were not good at follow-up and conversion. Follow-up at all. So you never even took the first step, right? That's happening every day. I'm telling you, you have a sales force, whether your sales force is 1 or your sales force is 10 or 1,000, that is happening. So your business is missing out on huge opportunities left and right because people are not good at what I'm going to show you exactly how to be really good at. All right. So that's good for small businesses. Now we talked about sales forces. So there's a couple different things there. All right. So what are we going to teach you in the course? Let me give you a couple things we're going to teach you. And so we're going to teach you, again, how to convert contacts into customers. People you meet at networking events, leads groups, trade shows, expos, live people you meet, shake hands, get business cards, whatever it is, how to convert those people into appointments and customers. That's what we're going to be showing you about. We're going to be showing you what we're going to be telling you and showing you exactly. We have worksheets and systems and things we're going to be giving you, scripts, all right? How to talk to people, how to get people interested in what you do. So when you go to these networking events, right? Like you're on stage, you get to say, everybody gets to stand up maybe and do even, I don't care if it's a 5-second introduction. In 5 seconds, I can get you, and I'm going to show you how you can absolutely get multiple more people coming to you after that meeting and saying, I love what you said, and I need to see how you can help my company do what you said, or I know someone else that needs that. So in 5 seconds even, we can show you how to make a dramatically better results for your company, okay? If you have 30 seconds to a minute, man, we're going to blow the socks out of it. We're going to blow everybody in that room away. We're going to help make you unforgettable. We're going to make you where people say, wow, after what you said. We're going to make it where people are just lined up to talk to you after that event because you said something that implanting something in their head caused emotion in their body where they're like, I have to talk to that person. All right. And I know other people that need to talk to that person. So we're going to show you simple things like that that can make huge results for you. Then we're also going to show you how to convert. Now, what's the next step? How you follow up is we're going to show you how to follow up. We actually have I have something in the past. It's called a FUO system, which is a follow-up organization system. It's how I break. It's my system that, by the way, has helped me create over 35,000, nearing 36,000 customers and contacts throughout the years that has created millions of dollars in business for our business and other people that we've helped. So it's a proven system that works. Yes, I said over 35,000, nearly 36,000. Okay. So it works. These things work really well. And there's a reason why I get paid by chambers and groups to come in and teach people this stuff. Now we've just made it a course where I can teach it online to people and help more people get these results. So we're going to show you how to follow up with people. I'm going to give you the scripts. We have scripts that work incredibly well. We're going to show you how to automate it. We're going to show you exactly how to set it up step by step, how to create a system where you don't have to follow up with each person individually. We'll show you how to set that system up. We're going to give you the scripts on what to say, when to say it. So in my 3-tier system, it's a grading system. There's tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, based on qualifying that you do kind of in your head. Was the person interested? Did they say, hey, maybe I'd like to talk to you? Were they just kind of like nice people, but not really interested? And then show you how to follow up with each level of those people in the system, okay? And how to convert them into, again, appointments and customers. So there's a whole system to it. We're going to be giving you my system. There's no one else has it but me right now. And I'm finally made it where I can share it with certain people that join this course. So we're going to be giving you all that. And then also, so these are unique systems. No one else in the world has this. This is my stuff and it's worked incredibly well. Now I'm giving it to you, the people that join this group. Okay. So we're also going to show you what kind of groups you should go to. See, there's lots of things. Chamber groups are great. There's free groups, paid groups and stuff. We're going to be talking about where you should find the people you really want to get in front of. If you want to get in front of doctors, here's some great ways to do that. You want to meet other people, and we're going to be talking about how to convert business owners. See, converting business to business contacts versus business to consumer, they're very different. So we're going to show you exactly how to do that with scripts, flows, everything on how to do that. All right. So if you sell products or you sell services, whether you're a B2B, B2C, even B2G, we're going to show you exactly how to get more people to get you appointments and to turn them into customers. All right. So that's a lot of stuff right there. But with this course, see, we're launching this course now. We're taking up to 60 founding members, which that's about full. So we also have to end the sales of this so we can set everything up in the system and be ready to go, because I start training this course live next Wednesday at 12:30 Eastern time. If you can't make the live training, then we're still recording it and it'll be immediately up in your student login site. You have your own little login site and it'll be up on there for you to view and take advantage of immediately. All the worksheets, all the systems, all the scripts, everything will be available for you on your time on demand. All right. So I'm teaching this course live to these first 60 people only ever. These first 60 people get me live. They can ask me questions. They get everything at an incredibly discounted price. All right. So it's time to kind of make that decision. We are ending registration for this course at midnight tonight. If you do not register by then, you will not get in. That's it. Or we reach 60 people, which I have to look, but there's a lot of people watching this. That could be done already. So you might want to click the link I've put over here and go check it out. If that link's still up, then we're still registering people, and congratulations, you can get in. If it's gone, I'm sorry. You just didn't make a decision quick enough, and okay, or you decided it wasn't right for you right now. Great. Okay. So for these other founding members, we're also giving bonuses that might not be in the training later on when we release it to the rest of the world. We're going to be giving you how to make yourself unforgettable. We're going to be giving you things about how to convert online people into customers. So think about this. All those likes and connections you have on LinkedIn and follows and stuff like this you have on all these social media things. I don't care if you have 40 million of them. If you are not good at converting those into appointments and customers, who cares? You could have 4 and it would be the same thing as having 40,000. So if you're not converting them, it really doesn't matter. So we're going to be showing you how to convert only for these founding members, how to convert online connections and people that you meet into appointments and customers. That could be a whole course onto itself. And I guarantee later this year, we'll probably put a course out just with that. But these people, and it'll be a lot more expensive than what we're charging these founding members. So we're going to include it in this course because we wanted to thank people for being our first 60 people founding members. Okay, so they're getting that for free with this course. That's a course that'll sell for $500-$600 by itself. All right, so we're going to be giving that. We're also going to be giving them other bonuses like how to get more referrals. We have systems, and we're going to show you exactly the systems, the scripts, everything you need to do about how to get up to 40 times more referrals. It is proven. There is test data that shows if you have a proven system about how to ask for warm referrals from your customers, from other people, that you can get up to 40 times more. Let's say we only made it 4 times more or 2 times more. What would 2 times more warm referrals do for your business? Okay, it would pay the cost for this course, which is $297 for these people. Everything I'm going to give you, if you get one customer out of everything that I show you in all these scripts, if you get one customer ever out of this, for most businesses, this course is paid for multiple times over. All right, even if it takes you 2 or 3 customers, we're talking ever. You'll have these systems and everything we're showing you to use, not just for the next week, not just for the next month, but for years to come. It can create tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands more in business for you with what we're going to give you and what I'm going to show you. Step by step, holding your hand. It's not hard. It's simple stuff. It's great systems that work. And I'll be there teaching it for you, helping you do this stuff. All right? I understand it can be a lot. We're busy. We've broken it down, making it very simple, very easy to do, but it is incredibly effective. All right. So it'll work for you very well. So that's really, there's really not much else I can say. Everything that we've talked about there really is, people pay thousands of dollars for stuff like this. And actually there's nothing else out there like this because a lot of people help you network. Maybe people give you, hey, this is what you should do. I'm giving you everything. We're giving you step by step. We're giving you the systems. We're giving you the scripts, everything you need. All right. So, now's the time. You got to really make a decision. And I'll tell you what, it will work for you. It will absolutely work. We've done it for, hundreds and thousands of people I've shown things like this to, and the systems, even parts of what we have in this customer thing has helped people out dramatically. And I've bundled so much into this. This should really be like 3 or 4 different courses, but I just want to give you incredible value. All right. So I appreciate you guys watching this. If you stood and watched this, I appreciate it. Sorry if I rambled on a little bit. It's something we're very excited. We're incredibly passionate. For those of you who don't know me. This is me. This is what you get 24/7. I am a big giver. I want to help you out. I guarantee you, if you get this course, you will see better results. And man, what would that do? What would even getting, 2 to 3 more customers a month do for you? What would 10 times, 20 times more? But let's just say it gets 2 to 3 more customers a month for you. What would that do for your business? What could that do for your personal life? Could that mean more cruises on your personal life? You could retire earlier, just more sales, go get that boat, whatever you want. Whatever your want is, if for your business, it could make expansion opportunities. Maybe you could even, if you have to reduce the amount of time you spend out, what could you do with that extra free time? So that's what this course is all about. So I really appreciate you guys watching this. Hopefully I answered a lot of your questions. If you have other questions, contact me on Facebook here or email me at steve@steveplacey.com. That's steve@steveplacey.com. Email me some questions, but you need to do it fast. We are closing the registration for this at midnight. So I hope it's something that, man, if you want to get in, I would do it now. Like right now. So the link's still there. It's still open. Good for you. Hey, if it's 2 a.m. and it's still up there because we didn't take it down, good for you. All right. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. I appreciate your time. Go out there and rock your business. See you later.